In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your website analytics using Hostinger's hPanel. Understanding your website's performance is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing your online presence. So let's dive in and navigate through this process together. First, the journey begins by logging into your Hostinger account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at your personal hPanel dashboard, which is essentially the control hub for all your website management tools. It's designed to provide you with both the functionalities and the insights needed to efficiently run your site. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your navigation options are neatly organized. In this list, you'll see a variety of options, but the one we're interested in today is Analytics. Go ahead and select Analytics. This section is your go-to spot for a comprehensive overview of your website's performance. You'll be able to uncover key insights about how your site is doing in terms of visitor engagement and more. Once inside the Analytics section, you'll immediately notice an overview of your website visits. This is where you can track how well your site is attracting and retaining visitors. You'll be able to see trends over time, which is invaluable for understanding when your website is most popular or if there's a particular campaign that's driving traffic. Moving on, you'll find data about which countries your visitors are coming from. This geographical insight can really help you tailor your content to suit the preferences of your audience. For example, if you see a large number of visitors from a specific country, you might consider offering content in that language or perhaps aligning your marketing efforts to better engage with those potential customers. Additionally, attention to details like the devices your visitors are using provides yet another layer of understanding. This is displayed right here in the Analytics section as well. Whether your audience predominantly visits your site through mobile devices, desktops, or tablets could influence your design choices and overall user experience. If your site is heavily accessed on mobile devices, ensuring that it is mobile responsive should be a top priority. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively use Hostinger's analytics tools to gain a deeper understanding of your website's performance. This information helps you go beyond the numbers, allowing you to adapt your strategies and engage more effectively with your audience. Spend some time exploring these insights regularly, and you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that drive the success of your online presence. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.